Welcome to Home Decor Inspiration, the ultimate destination for all things interior design.
Kitchen curtains serve as both a functional and decorative element, contributing to the overall ambience and style of the space. When considering kitchen curtain ideas, it's an opportunity to infuse personality, color, and texture into the heart of the home. One popular approach is the use of café curtains, which cover only the lower half of the window. This style allows ample natural light to stream in while offering a degree of privacy. Café curtains often feature charming patterns, such as checks, stripes, or florals, adding a touch of whimsy to the kitchen. For a more classic and tailored look, consider full-length curtains. Crisp, white panels create a clean and timeless aesthetic, while bold patterns or vibrant colors can inject personality into the space. Choosing lightweight and easy-to-clean fabrics is practical for the kitchen environment. Roman shades are a versatile and stylish option for kitchen windows. These fabric shades can be raised or lowered, allowing for flexible control of light and privacy. The choice of fabric can range from simple and understated to bold and patterned, depending on the desired effect. Sheer curtains can bring an airy and ethereal quality to the kitchen. These lightweight fabrics allow natural light to filter through while still providing a degree of privacy. Sheer curtains are an excellent choice for kitchens where maintaining a bright and open feel is a priority. Patterned curtains can become a focal point in the kitchen, especially in spaces with neutral color schemes. Whether it's a playful geometric pattern or a timeless floral print, the right choice of patterns can add visual interest and tie together various elements within the kitchen. Consider the practical aspects of curtains in the kitchen, such as their washability and resistance to moisture and odors. Fabrics like cotton, polyester, or blends are often suitable for easy maintenance, and selecting curtains with a lining can enhance their durability. In terms of hardware, the choice of curtain rods or tracks can influence the overall look. Sleek, modern rods can complement contemporary kitchen styles, while ornate or vintage-inspired hardware can add a touch of nostalgia to the space. Ultimately, kitchen curtain ideas should align with the overall design aesthetic and functional needs of the space. Whether it's the breezy charm of café curtains, the tailored elegance of full-length panels, or the versatility of Roman shades, the right choice of curtains can enhance the kitchen style, creating a welcoming and visually appealing atmosphere.
In conclusion, interior design is an exciting field where creativity flourishes and spaces come alive. We hope this video has inspired you to recognize the transformative power of interior design and start your own creative endeavors. Whether you are an experienced designer or just starting to explore this fascinating world, there is always something new to learn and discover. If you liked this video and found it informative, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We appreciate your support and look forward to sharing even more exciting design ideas with you in the future. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and remember that through imagination and creativity, you have the ability to turn any space into a reflection of your unique style and personality. Happy design!